So, I am Rochelle Lilan. So, mas gusto po kong tinatawag na Miss Rochelle. So, I am inviting you all of you dito po sa aming clinic. Well, I am going to tell a short story of Estetica Hub. Well, actually, I worked as a nurse staff. Realize ko na parang hindi ako pang hospital setup. So, nag-try ako na mag-explore kung ano yung mas hilig ko at saka potential ko. So, na-found out ko na nasa aesthetic yung passion ko. So, yan, to make the story short, nagka-idea ako to start the business because hilig ko talaga. So, from my own, sinubukan ko sa sarili ko, and then after that, gusto kong mas ma-cultivate, ma-expand yung skills ko, ma-explore kung ano pa yung kailangan kong gawin. So, nag-aral ako in different mode at saka in different aspects. So, pinag-aralan ko isa-isa till makuha ko yung mga certifications, licenses para sa aesthetic. And then after that, nagkameron ako ng mga offerings like to do abroad. So, nagpunta ako abroad. Nag-aaral ako doon like from 2018 to 2023. So, nag-aaral ako ng mga courses. And, ayun, nasa-isa ko silang lahat till makuha ko yung Master of Injectors. Then after that, doon ko na siya prioritize isa-isa kasi mas gusto ko yung needles. So, bakit? Kasi mas safe, mas madali, and then mas hinahanap siya ng tao kasi more on non-surgical po tayo. But then, kung may mga procedures naman na kailangan ng doctors, meron naman po tayong internet, meron naman po tayong surgical doctors. So, what we offer sa Estetica Hub is that from facials, we have different kinds of facials, lalo na sa may mga acne problems. We also have like yung bago ngayon sa US, na andito na siya sa Philippines, the exosomes. We also have the DNA repair. We also have the Fibroblast 36 para sa mga deep dented skin problems. The subcision. We have the intensive acne solutions. We also have lasers. We also have different kinds of lasers. We offer different kinds of lasers. And at the same time, we also offer like different kind of injections to different parts of the body. Like for the face, like if you want to have the slimming, if you have to have the whitening injection for glutathione, which is, you know naman na it is an antioxidant. So we also have yung mga takot sa injections, we also offer like machines for the whole body. Like we have cocoons, we have the varicose treatments, we have the infusion therapy, and then we have like the spa services. We have the nails extensions, we have the eyelash extensions. So, nilahat na lang namin. So, doon ako nag-come up na bakit hindi ko gawing one-stop shop ang clinic. So, yung tao na nagpapahalaga din kami sa oras, and then, syempre, safety first kami lagi. Inuuna namin yung safety ng pasyente, and then, we have to do the vital signs, we have to assess kung ano yung medical conditions ng mga pasyente, and we have to prioritize kung ano yung mas kailangan nila na gawin para sa sarili nila to be more confident at saka yung satisfaction po ba. So, from the time na lumakad kayo papasok dito is yung service na nilibigay namin is not a promise because this is a full commitment. So, yun ang ino-offer ng Estetica. We have actually Aesthetic Hub in Lipa, Barangay 8, Lipa City. Actually, way to Rosario siya, pero unahan lang siya ng Lipa. And then, eto yung bago kong binuksan is dito sa San Roque, Santo Tomas, Batangas. And we are also eyeing to open in Batangas and in Alabang soon. Yes, I am very grateful to take this opportunity to invite all of you sa Calabar Zone na ma-offer po namin yung service namin and full commitment and satisfaction po para sa inyo. So, we are offering different kinds of services. So, new and updated po tayo parate because we are always having a lecture to have a very satisfactory services to all of you po dito sa Lipa at saka sa Santo Tomas. Well, actually, we come up also to a new packages, like for bridal packages. We are also trying to collab with different hotels and different companies like for paalaga packages, like aalagaan namin kayo for a certain period of time if you have like important event to attend to. So we are also rendering this kind of services. Also, we have a prenup packages, like if you want to have like pictorials in our clinic for some of the bridal party. and grooming service. Because it is mainly because my passion. So, hindi ko i-design ang estetika for everyone muna. I-design ko muna siya kung ano ba yung gusto ko at ano yung safe at ano yung effective sa akin. Most probably kasi, mas yun din ang gusto ng mas nakakarami. Una, budget-friendly, satisfaction, safety, commitment. And dito, pag pumasok kayo dito, you are not a client. You are not just a guest because you are my family. So, kayo po ay alaga sa estetika.